preserve a beautiful history today. Place su madre nuestra sepultura. Post 5 1 8 0 0 7 1 8. Hello, my name is Su madre nuestra sepultura. I am 36 years old and I am a religion and ethics teacher. I am loving, hardworking, and very responsible. I like to spend time with my family and other people who want to know about God. I like to pray and rest near the river. I do not like long meetings and cool food. I live in Cajamarca, but I'm from Boyacá. I always wash my clothes sometimes and wash the dishes. Living intensely. My favorite book is Jesus Today, Dr. Albert Nolan, because it nourishes my spirit. Jesus Today, a spirituality of radical breakdown. Cajamarca. This town. His work in Cajamarca, Tolima, near Ibagué, the main city. The people are friendly and hardworking. Its climate is cold but pleasant. My favorite celebration first is Holy Mass. I always go to church and to get there early. I like to celebrate this holiday with my sisters. There I feel peace in my heart and I am happy. I always wear elegant dress for the biggest party. Every day I nourish myself with my bread of Christ. Sometimes I have totally commenting on the times, understand what God wants with my life. I often read the sacred ritual and strive to be a good human being, and I invite my students to participate in the great celebrations. Always have as a reward the joy and strength to do well the work of each day. There I must have respect and fight to live this beautiful moment, to thank and inspect everything from God the Father. We should fall short. I always wash my clothes, sometimes and wash the dishes. I never use the vacuum cleaner. I often mop the floor. I rarely prepare food. I usually clean my room. I almost never take out the garbage, and sometimes take care of the garden. I never wash the dog nor the cat. I occasionally go shopping. Sometimes I listen to songs by Adele, Jesús Adrián Romero, Salomé Remisita, and Sebastián Yatra. I am currently reading the book Spirituality for the Christian Period by the theologian Jose Maria Castillo. My favorite movie is Pride and Prejudice. I looked at it many times, but now I see those who leave messages to share with young people. My favorite author is Albert Nolan. He writes about the person of Jesus, the Son of God, and his humanity. I always arrive at school at 7 o'clock. it's time to work. The weekend I go to the English club or sometimes I do homework. At 7 o'clock p.m. I am preparing classes for the next day. Sometimes I watch the news in the TV to know what happens in the world. I also like to work to rest a bit. But I always watch TV on weekends at night. In summer I go to the beach. There I must wear my sunglasses and swim. If it's sunny, I have to wear shorts and a shirt. In the fall, I must wear a coat and pants. If it is very cold, I must wear a scarf and sweatshirt. Summer. Winter. In the winter, I have to wear a scarf and boots. If it rains too much, I should wear a shirt and a sweater. In the winter and autumn seasons, I must wear pajamas and long socks. Spring. In spring, we must wear a dress on heels. If it is very hot, I should wear sandals and hat. In the spring, we must bring umbrella and shoes. Autumn. In the autumn, I must wear a coat and pants. If it is very cold, I must wear a scarf and sweatshirt. In the autumn, I should wear a hat and sweater. Thank you.